Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you fix the Mobile Legends offline mode not working. So first of all, I don't have Mobile Legends installed on my device. So I will just guide you through. So first of all, what you have to do is that open up your Mobile Legends application on the main interface or the lobby. You will see three options at the top left corner of your screen. From there, what you have to do is that you simply have to click on the install icon or the download icon. Now, a new menu will appear right in front of you. From here, you have to install all of the resources that are available here to install. Install every single one of them, and your game or your offline mode should be fixed. So by following this video, you can very easily learn how can you fix the offline mode in Mobile Legends. That's all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.